Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Coinbase login problems. Two-factor errors explained step by step clearly. First, confirm you are on the official Coinbase website or the official Coinbase mobile app, not a lookalike link from email or ads. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, because unstable networks can cause 2FA requests to fail. Set your phone's date and time to automatic, because incorrect time is the #1 cause of authenticator code mismatch. Restart your phone to refresh network services and security tokens that may be stuck in the background. If you use Google Authenticator or a similar app, open it and make sure you are using the correct Coinbase entry, not an old or duplicated one. Try the newest code and enter it immediately, because 2FA codes expire quickly and delayed typing can trigger an invalid code error. If you copied the code, retype it manually once, because clipboard tools and spaces can cause silent input mistakes. If Coinbase asks for an SMS code, confirm your SIM card is active and can receive normal text messages right now. Turn off any spam blocking or SMS filtering apps, because they can hide Coinbase verification texts. Check that you have mobile signal and that airplane mode is off, because SMS delivery can fail even when internet works. Request a new SMS code and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting again, because repeated requests can temporarily block delivery. Make sure your phone number on Coinbase is current, because texts will never arrive if your account has an old number. If you changed phones recently, verify that your Authenticator app was properly transferred, because new devices often break 2FA sync. If you have your old phone, open the Authenticator there and compare codes to confirm which device is correctly set up. If you use Coinbase with a security key, reconnect the key and try a different USB port or NFC position, because poor contact causes verification failures. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily, because unusual locations can trigger extra security checks or block login attempts. Try logging in from a different browser or the Coinbase app, because cached cookies or extensions can interfere with 2FA. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Coinbase only, because corrupted sessions can loop the 2FA screen. Disable password managers or autofill for one attempt, because they can input an outdated code or wrong account email. Confirm you are logging into the correct Coinbase account email, because a different account may have different 2FA settings. Use Try Another Way on the 2FA screen if available, and choose a backup method you still control. If you save backup codes, enter one backup code carefully, because each backup code works only once. If you lost access to your 2FA device, start Coinbase account recovery from the login page and follow the identity verification steps. During recovery, submit clear photos and match your legal name exactly, because mismatches can delay approval. Do not create a new account to bypass 2FA, because it can complicate verification and access to existing funds. If you suspect SIM swap or unauthorized access, immediately change your Coinbase password and email password from a secure device. Contact Coinbase support through the official help center if recovery is stuck, and provide screenshots of the exact error message. After you regain access, switch to a stronger method like an Authenticator app or security key, and store backup codes offline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.